ये एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है। और मेरी एक्चुअली 3 फिल्में मैं शूट कर रहा था पिछले साल में। 2 कंप्लीट हो चुकी हैं। मुंबई सागा की आई थिंक 3 दिन बाकी हैं शूटिंग की।
Sanjay Gupta,
चेहरे
you and
जी,
John Abraham.
संजय गुप्ता एंड
That's
John,
pretty
yes.
exciting.
There's
I
an
saw a poster of
ensemble,
that. Yeah,
जी,
I saw a poster of that, and you're a cop in that.
yeah,
I've never seen
yeah.
you as a
That's the
cop.
first. That's the first. I don't know what they were thinking. I think they're off the rockers.
No, but
लेकिन
it's
आई
looking
थिंक
damn
वेलकम
good.
चेंज है। नहीं, वेलकम चेंज है क्योंकि जब मैं कहानी सुन रहा था तो वेरी सरप्राइजिंगली संजय जब सुना रहा था मुझे वैन में, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं था मैं
This
कौन
is
सा
Sanjay
कैरेक्टर प्ले
Gupta,
कर
the
रहा
director.
हूँ।
Sanjay Gupta,
या
the director.
संजय गुप्ता।
हाँ.
तो मैं बाय डिफॉल्ट मेरी सेटिंग ऐसी थी कि ठीक है, I've done Once Upon a Time मुंबई, तो ये डॉन का कैरेक्टर होगा। देन उन्होंने कहा कि आप ये कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, एंड आई फाउंड दैट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। लेकिन ये कॉप भी, ही इज नथिंग लेस देन अ गून और अ गैंगस्टर। ही इज रूथलेस एंड ही इज आउट टू गेट दिस गाय, एक्सट्रीमली ड्रिवन, और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है। तो हमने एक्चुअली शूटिंग खत्म कर ली है, 3 दिन बाकी हैं। बट आउट ऑफ those 3 days also there is a big set song which is still balanced, so we have to put up
The set is up
put
right
up the
now.
set and shoot it. So we have to put up the set after the lockdown, whenever the lockdown ends. पता नहीं जो वर्क क्रू होगा वो किस तरह रूल्स होंगे, लिमिटेड क्रू में शूटिंग करनी पड़ेगी।
I wanna ask you this here, and I'm sorry if I'm cutting your sentence short. Huh? There's a little
No,
lag.
please. Yeah.
You know, as from an actor's point of view, you know, हम करेंगे कैसे, क्योंकि ये बहुत कांटेक्ट होता है। आप आते ही मेकअप जब लगता है तो कोई और आपके चेहरे पर मेकअप डालता है, फिर जो माइक है वो माइक अप करने के लिए आपके शर्ट वर्ट अंदर मतलब वो छुपाना पड़ता है, स्टाइलिस्ट है जो आपके कपड़े पर दे। तो एज एन एक्टर, आई मीन, इज इट लिटिल स्कैरी राइट नाउ, बिकॉज़ आई एम जस्ट वंडरिंग हाउ डू वी गेट बैक।
Well, that is one thing that I've been asking people, क्योंकि लोग कह रहे हैं कि ठीक है, एक लिमिटेड क्रू के साथ आप शूटिंग करेंगे, आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो कर सकते हैं, but then what about the actors? They are the most exposed on set. I mean, we can't shoot with face masks on. At the same time, जब हम interact कर रहे हैं scenes में, we can't have that kind of distance in scenes. So, what will be the way forward? इसका जवाब unfortunately किसी के पास नहीं है. I think for any industry, I think the worst hit are the people who have invested the money into films, financiers, producers. Actors be affected hai, but I think we are somewhere, it's a little cushioned for us. But, you know, the way forward, I don't know how we're going to shoot these films, complete them. और हमारी फिल्म तो सिर्फ 3 दिन बाकी है। Imagine that films जो 60 दिन बाकी हैं, 70 दिन बाकी हैं, वो कैसे complete करेंगे एक limited crew के साथ? So, I think everything is up in the air right now. इसके कोई solutions नहीं है। I think it'll get clear as time goes by. We'll have to see how this virus kind of responds, how it mutates, if it kind of dies out, hopefully. और जो curve होता है वो flatten हो जाए जल्द से जल्द।
You know, okay, the idea out here is, of course, to accept reality, but also to stay a little away from it for another, how much ever time I have you for. So let's just talk about some stuff, fun stuff also. Firstly, I loved you in Bar of Blood. I think
Thank you.
I loved the show in general, and I just found a really awesome side of you. So really, man, kudos. I think that was, it looked,
Thank you.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि बहुत मुश्किल था वो शो, वो जो लोकेशंस वगैरह थे।
हाँ यार, बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि it's like shooting more than 2 films at a stretch. मेरे लिए ये फॉर्मेट बहुत अलग था because we used to shooting films, और आप फिल्म को शूट करते हैं 40, 50, 70 दिन में,
आराम से,
कभी-कभी 100 दिन कभी-कभी 100 दिन भी लग जाते हैं, but the pace is a little leisurely paced. लेकिन इसमें जब आपके पास इतने सीन्स हैं, you have to shoot multiple scenes every day और multiple locations थे। जैसे Bar of Blood में हमने I think over 6 or 7 locations shoot किए थे, right from, you know, oxygen deprived Leh Ladakh.
Oh yeah.
And then we shot in Delhi, we shot in places in Rajasthan, Mumbai. तो बहुत सारे locations थे, but I think ये format जो है OTT का, I'm very excited with it.
No,
जिस तरह की
so excited
writing
to see
है,
you there, man.
it's fantastic.
I'm so excited to see you there. I
Yeah,
really feel
I was
like,
excited with the material.
tell me if I'm wrong, but from what little I know of you, आपको बिल्कुल एक मौका मिल गया है Oxygen की तरह, that it allows you to experiment with roles that you've always wanted to do.
Yeah.
Like even if I talk about Body, even if I talk about Body,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know, I mean, it was with Rishi Kapoor, and I think that's an added plus that you got to work with him in the last minute.
Yes. Dream come true. Dream come
Let's
true.
talk me through a little about that, because Rishi Kapoor was one. Okay, I promise you, it was a treat for somebody like me, because I'm a diehard Rishi Kapoor fan. I love
So am
Rishi
I.
Kapoor, and I've
So am
always
I.
loved him. I've
So
always
am
wanted to
I.
work with him. And एक
Yeah.
दो फिल्म्स ऐसी थी पिछले 5 साल में जहां पर होते होते नहीं हुई, but everything happens for the best. But tell us about that experience. Was he really scary to work
No,
with?
no, no, he's not. I had preconceived notions, जैसे हम सबके notions है उनके tweets को देखकर. So I felt that he'll be extremely volatile on the set. पता नहीं कितने घंटे देंगे shooting के लिए. Sometimes, there's this thing कि मैं एक या दो take से ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगा. There are these preconceived notions that it was completely my fault. I'd imagined these things about him. लेकिन जब मैं उनसे मिला, he's very chilled out. He's very lovable. और we had a lot of things to talk about actually. A lot of things in common क्योंकि मेरे family में बहुत सारे relatives के साथ वो काम कर चुके हैं. He's my neighbor. He stays, he was staying right back there before his bungalow was demolished. And we had some great conversations. और बहुत कुछ सीखने को ही मिला. I think that was like a one, off the bucket list for me, because it was working with someone जो अमर अकबर एंथनी से लेके कर्ज ऐसी फिल्में उन्होंने की हैं. We have, really idolized and yearn to kind of be that naturalistic like he's been on screen. और first hand मैंने उनका process देखा set पे. So it's a big loss for the industry, both Irfan and Rishi ji. It was a big blow, one after the other in 2 days. It was shocking.
Yeah, it was horrible, man. Anyways, we're going through this rubbish time and then this news, but you're lucky that you worked with both of them.
Yeah.
But talking about Body, there's one really impactful shot, and I've been meaning to ask you this. Did you did you eat out of the toilet?
So
it was actually.
Yeah. No, that was the first question I asked them. Because it was seen as actually the entire film is taken from the Spanish film. It's been remade. तो मैंने कहा कि यार ऐसा ये scene कैसे करेंगे? So obviously we had to get a new pot, a new commode. So I did the udghatan. I removed the paper from the commode. I asked 10 questions about the bill. Made sure it was not used before.
ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है ये कितने मेथड एक्टर हैं, कितने डेडिकेटेड एक्टर हैं.
Yeah, I love
उन्होंने बोला कि दुनिया का सबसे गंदा टॉयलेट वहां पर शूटिंग करेंगे.
Why not? Yeah, I love it. It was one of those kinks come true. So and then we fill it up with distillery water.
But still, yeah.
Put a little bit of shit in it. No, just clean distillery water, and I just removed the paper and I chewed on it. It's not very pleasant.
फिर भी यार distillery पानी के साथ and all that stuff, putting your hand.
Yeah. It's just the fact that there was a commode there and the visual aspect wasn't very appealing.
One person that I've worked with, and I know it's on everybody's bucket list also, is Amitabh Bachchan, and he's the guy that you have another film with, जो अभी is up for release, right? Bombay Saga? Is Bombay Saga with
Yes, that's Chehre. फिल्म शूटिंग हमने कंप्लीट कर ली है. दिसंबर में हमारा लास्ट शेड्यूल था. हमने स्लोवाकिया में शूटिंग की. And again, big fan of Amit ji. Slovakia. So we had shot the whole climax there. Had a lot of fun shooting the film. Lambe scenes there, a lot of dialogues. Very unnerving to be again shooting with someone who you idolize and kind of has been a role model for me forever.
Yeah.
तो पहले दिन बस यही डर था कि यार मैं डायलॉग नहीं बोलूं इनके सामने. Because that fears that you might be as prepped, and sometimes you over prep because you don't want to screw this up, right?
But that's not you, right? I mean, I know that. Firstly,
no, I done it for this.
With your permission, I want to tell something,
please,
about you. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is just my observation. That you come across as this really laid back. You're very, very prepped, and you know exactly what you're doing.
Yes,
I talk about the food part of it.
Yeah, so by the time I was given a month to prep for the film, the dialogues are given. Obviously, we had it's a huge script. So I just kind of mugged it up front to back, and I was really prepped for it. But I was like, with all this prepping, जब आप एक ऐसे कलाकार के साथ आप कैमरा फेस करते हैं, you have a lot of nerves, but it went off very smoothly.
Your first time?
Yeah. So it went off smoothly, and we had a great time shooting for that film.
तो
अभी देखते हैं रिलीज का क्या होगा.
हाँ, और बहुत लोग समझते नहीं है कि फिल्म्स जो हैं वो बनाई जाती हैं, एक अगर वो एक कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट आप लो तो वो बनाई जाती हैं फिल्म रिलीज के लिए ऑन थिएटर्स एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड, और हर फिल्म को आप ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में रिलीज नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि वो कॉस्ट रिकवरी नहीं होती है.
जी.
तो इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. तो ये लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट एज एन एक्टर मुझे बहुत जोरों से शूटिंग आ रही है यार.
मुझे भी बहुत आ रही है यार.
बहुत.
I really miss the madness, the nerves, the anxiety, the fun, और बस जल्दी एक इसका सोल्यूशन निकल जाए और हम सेट पे फिर से पहुंच जाए. पता नहीं वो डेट कब होगा, वो महीना कब होगा, but hopefully it should happen soon.
So I just want to tell you that I read The Kiss of Life.
Yeah.
And I absolutely loved it. I mean, it was simplistically informative. ये नहीं कि कोई ज्ञान दे रहा था, and that was my take of it. But what I really loved about it the most is, and I was surprised क्योंकि of course मैंने आपका वो हिस्सा नहीं देखा है of your personality, and I'm so happy that you got out of it. But the thing is that जो last 2-3 chapters हैं, it just dealt with so much of the holistic stuff.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
So, yeah, that was a big revelation for us, because it's just when a catastrophe like this happens, you have to dig deep, और बहुत सारे सवाल आप पूछते हैं about the just the health of your family, your loved ones, कि चीजें इतनी fragile हो सकती हैं. The emotional state that we were in was it was extremely turbulent. तो
you don't have
fear था कि यार,
if you don't
I know, but I've spoken so much about it that it's fine. I mean, the fact that I penned the book was that my friend Mr. Hussain Zaidi actually asked me, painful होगा ये process को फिर से relive करना और एक किताब में लिखना, but we felt it's very important क्योंकि इससे लोगों तक ये मैसेज आ सकता है, एक तरह से शिक्षा मिलेगी लोगों को, in case खुदा न खास्ता उनकी फैमिली में भी ऐसा हो.
एक आम आदमी को ये जो मैसेज है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से मिलता है क्योंकि इसमें टेक्निकलिटीज नहीं है, ज्ञान नहीं है. बस ये है कि यार ये नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर्स हैं जिंदगी के. फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर सो मेनी नेचुरल थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड कि अगर हम नेचुरली अगर अपने न्यूट्रिशन में हम ध्यान दें तो वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ 80% ऑफ आवर एलिमेंट्स.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I think it's very, very important for the present scenario right now also with COVID, क्योंकि जितनी आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी होगी उतना आप इफेक्टिवली इस चीज को आप कॉम्बैट कर पाएंगे. It's for people who are immunocompromised, for older people who have a low immunity that are more susceptible to this disease या दूसरे diseases भी. तो बहुत important है कि आप अपनी खुराक, अपनी immunity अच्छी रखें, and you can effectively fight off these pathogens, and for that matter even cancer.
Well, thanks for that book. Yeah, that was really amazing. I showed a very different side of you also, so it was really nice. I meant to show you the book, but I couldn't find it today, so I just wanted to show it to you. But it was really nice. Before we continue, can you just say hi to all your fans out here? क्योंकि बहुत सारे भरे हुए हैं और आकर hello.
Hi guys.
So if you want to pick up a few names and if you want to just say hi.
Fantastic. Quirky, hi Quirky, Harsh Rajput, how are you doing? Vivek Sharma, hi. Yeah, my favorite film too, Jannat.
मेरी भी favorite film है Jannat.
I think these are my two favorite films, Jannat and Avarapan.
Yeah,
all-time favorites. And great experiences working offset also.
Let's be very clear. Jannat 1 or Jannat 2?
Jannat 1, because the first one's always closer to your heart.
Yeah.
Jannat 2 also was good, was fun.
Of course.
But I think जो एक essence था Jannat का, the one we kind of hit upon the first part with the love story, and it was something special. It was also a very risky film, for its time, क्योंकि मैच फिक्सिंग पे कभी इस किस्म की फिल्म नहीं बनी थी, and we were very we didn't know what, I mean we were all very gung ho about the film and it played out very well. मुझे याद है कि जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तो तभी आईपीएल पहले साल शुरू हुआ था और सब डरे हुए थे कि यार ये फिल्म खुलेगी नहीं खुलेगी, बॉक्स ऑफिस पर लोग आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे। और कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स का पहला मैच था और मैं कैलकाटा गया था फॉर द फर्स्ट शो, and there was this huge line outside the theater and the shows were booked out, so it just kind of snowballed into something that we didn't expect the film to do, but it was a special film, a very well made film, and it just had its soul and essence, you know.
Yeah, it really felt good while shooting it also. बहुत मजा आ रहा था.
Yeah.
But Sonal was here. Sonal was here a few days ago also, and she remembers you very fondly, and she complains and she complains that you're not in touch with her as much as.
Of course, she messages you time to time, and I message her back.
Achha, so I'm the only one you don't message back. I see. Okay.
Why you don't message, but you decide to catch up on live Instagram?
Oh, that makes me sound really bad.
That's what you do.
That makes me sound really horrible.
It took a catastrophe like this, Vishal, to get in touch with me. That also on Instagram Live.
No, wait a minute.
You couldn't send a text. You couldn't send a WhatsApp message. You couldn't call.
दुनिया वाले लोगों, अगर आप ये बात सुन रहे हो, इमरान हाशमी की बात मत सुनो. In fact, I'll tell you, मैंने इमरान से बात की थी. I think मैंने मैसेज और कॉल किया था करीबन 1 साल पहले, और मैंने कहा था कि इमरान.
What rubbish?
What
nonsense?
What a liar. Now that you've risen the monster, I'll tell you this.
There's no way of checking this, Vishal, is there?
There is. I'll tell you, listen. So I had messaged and...
Listen to me. If you had called up, I would have answered the call or would have called back.
No, you messaged me back, yaar. I messaged you and you messaged me back. It's not, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि you didn't call me back. I said I messaged you about a year ago, जब मैंने, I think I'd spoken to Amy